Yes, here you can see bones and muscles. Our body is made of bones and muscles, as I have already told you. Bones and muscles work together to make us move, walk, run, bend and climb. So in order to move, walk, run, bend and climb, you need to have both the organs. That is, you need to be functioning. You need the help of what? Both the bones and help of muscles. Then only you are going to move, run, bend and walk, etc. Bones give shape to our body. So depending upon the size of and shape, depending upon the thickness of our bones, our body shape varies. Okay, muscles are attached to the bones. When we grow, our bones and muscles also grow. So as we are growing, our body is also shape varies. In the same way, how does the shape varies? Depending upon the shape and the thickness of our bones and muscles, our body shape is going to vary. Regular exercise keeps our muscles strong. So if you want to be fit and strong, then you have to do exercise every day in the morning when you wake up. Okay, exercise may be in the form of walking or jogging, whatever, but some physical activity has to be done. So let us move on to the next part, that is the last part of the lesson, care of our body. So if you take the proper care of your body, then only you will not fall sick. Otherwise you will fall sick and you have to go to the doctor, then you have to take the medicine, injection and all. So if you don't want all that, means you have to listen to your parents, you have to eat healthy diet, and along with that you have to take the proper care. So let us find out from here. We should take good care of our body. How we should take care of our body? Let us learn. We should keep it clean. So how you will keep your body clean? First thing is, in the morning when you wake up, you have to go to the washroom, brush, then you should have your bath twice a day. Okay, in the morning, and whole day you will be drowsy and you will do a lot of activities, so you will sweat. Then in the evening, while before going to the bed, then again you should have a bath. So in that way, and moreover you have to wear clean clothes, clean and washed clothes. Regular exercise, as I've already told you, helps us to keep our body fit and healthy. After a day's work, we need rest. After a day's work, we need rest. It means that you cannot continuously work like a clock, isn't it? The moon, the sun, the clock works continuously, but as we are human being, we need certain time of rest. So when you are tired, obviously your body will suggest you to take rest. We should sleep at least for 8 hours daily. So these days I came to know that many children are not maintaining the proper timetable. So as you are staying in the home, you are not maintaining the timetable. So how you used to follow the timetable when you used to go to the school, in the same way, dear children, kindly follow the timetable. Go to bed early and wake up early. So with that you get good sleep. Finally, good food, exercise, cleanliness and proper rest keep our body healthy. So as you can see here, the picture is showing what? Exercise, bathing, cleaning your body, and finally going to bed. So with this, our chapter is going to end.